What's up, guys? Into another video. What's up, guys? We're doing another video with Bubbles, but we're testing out a new loadout.
We'll pick your map. What map you want?
It's Sniper, RPG, Shovel. Bubbles is his Shovel, AK, RPG. Alright, guys, let's get into it. We'll go cook.
One of them left. Oh.
Bro, one of them had to leave. If one left, join me. Join me, join me, join me, join me, join me.
I heard it going through. Is this? You see exactly what I mean.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, boys.
To a game.
Let's go, boys.
Wait, am I gonna have to leave?
No, don't leave.
Bro.
Let's go, guys.
We're
We got
just
this.
people are getting mad if I leave.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, don't mind how much coins I have.
Go. Bye. Wait, let me get this. Wait.
Please tell me they didn't leave. Bruh! That's the second people that have that.
I like this song. Is your dad, mate?
I am. Leave. Let's go, guys.
Why does everybody keep leaving when we play them?
Alright. Oh god, I'm doing a video. Get out of my face. When I devil put your hands on. This is so fair. He's more MMR than both of us, but he has a bro realist, so this is technically not fair.
No, trust me, I'm an alt account. He's an alt account, guys.
Oh my god, it's an alt account. That's so cap.
Match starting. Round starting.
Dead. Nice. Nice, Bubbles.
Round starting.
Under 1,300 on 13 on this kid. No way. How did we just get cooked?
Round starting.
Come on, I'm switching back to my loadout, guys. I beamed him. Oh my god, nice!
Round starting.
Oh my, I hit him like he's he died. Where's the other one? Here, stay back, stay back, stay back. I'm gonna see where the other one is.
Oh, dead.
Oh yeah, oh my god.
I'm 8 HP.
You're him, cheese.
I'm 6. I was 8 HP too.
You're him.
Round starting.
Nice. Dead.
Bro, this loadout.
Bro, this loadout's crazy. Guys, you guys should use this loadout if you guys have all the weapons.
Round starting.
Oh my god.
You watch, one of them's gonna run.
Dead on one. Nice.
Oh, let's go. GG.
GG's.
This
GG's.
is some hard.
I'll give you a fist bump.
Okay, that's
Let's go.
good God. Oh my god, good God.
Oh my god. That was actually a really good game.
Oh, good God, man. Good God. Good God.
He's coming.
Alright, bye guys. That's the end of the video.